Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Happy to have you here with me. Today we're doing a simple meditation practice along with sending you all Reiki healing energy today. So I'm going to take a moment to connect with all of you, whether you're with me live right now or watching this as a replay, wherever you may be watching it or listening, that you may be able or be open to receive this Reiki healing energy that I am transmitting to you all. I'd love to know in the comments, again, whether you're watching live or the replay, if you've had Reiki before and what your experience has been and what you feel from receiving this Reiki healing through this session, through this episode. So let's begin to slow down our breath as we prepare for this short meditation practice today. Breathing in through the nose and out the mouth. Slowing it down. Breathing deeply. One more big grounding breath. If you haven't already, feel free to close your eyes and begin to scan the top of your head for any sensations, any tension or discomfort, and send your breath to that space. As you feel the top of the head relax, move on to forehead and eyes, back of the head, scanning for any tension, any discomfort. Moving on to the jaw, mouth, as your tongue feels stiff, let it all melt. See the tension melt away from these areas. Maintaining that slow breath as you move through each section. Moving on to the neck and throat. Have you recently felt like something's been stuck in your throat? Does your neck feel stiff or tense? With each breath, release the tension. And clear your throat so that you can speak freely. Moving on to the shoulders. Allow your shoulders to relax. Is there any pain or discomfort when you're sitting or standing in these areas? Simply bring your awareness to it and then let it melt away. Moving down the arms to the elbows, forearm, wrists and hands, fingers. Feel them soften. Bring your awareness to your chest, your rib cage, thoracic spine. Is there pain here? Do you find yourself hunching over as you work away on the computer? Do you feel restricted in your breath? Breathe into these areas. And with each exhale, release tension that's there. We move on to the abdomen, lower back, and hips. Any sensations coming up, acknowledge them. And then let them go. Moving down the legs, knees, lower leg, ankle, feet, toes. Do these areas feel heavy? Do they feel like they don't move as fluidly as they used to? Breathe into these spaces, into the joints. Feel that tension melt away. Give your body one final scan from top to bottom. See if there's any little kinks left, any areas that are still feeling tense or painful. And let's spend a few moments breathing into those spaces. If you feel called, you can invite in light into these areas of any color of your choice. Allow that light to evaporate or dissolve these areas of tension or pain. Let's take 3 grounding breaths as we close out this meditation. Breathing deeply into the nose, filling the lungs and belly. And exhale audibly. 2 more times. And once more. Slowly bring your awareness back into the space you're in. Start to wiggle your fingers or toes, legs or arms, and slowly open your eyes. How was that for you? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was soothing and relaxing to receive this Reiki healing and do this brief meditation with me today on this beautiful Wednesday. So grateful to share this time with you and be here present with you all and connect with you in this way. I truly appreciate you. Make sure to check out our other recent episodes. We just recorded a new episode for our new mini series on the 5 elements. So check that out. There'll be more episodes coming for that mini-series, so we can dive deeper into the world of the 5 elements and each one, and how we can use it for our own healing journey. Sending you so much love, so much appreciation. Truly grateful to have you here. May you carry this energy with you for the rest of your day, the rest of your week. And if you need to, feel free to press play once more and watch this as many times as you need to at any time to take in this Reiki healing and do this meditation for yourself. Whew. I'll catch you all again next time. Until then, stay well, my friends.